Hi there everyone, my name is Preetham and I welcome you all to this channel. As we are aware of, Windows have recently announced new update. Have you received it? If not, then not to worry guys. In this video, I will show you how you can ensure that you receive Windows update as soon as possible. And for this, I'm not going to ask you to join any kind of beta or testing program where generally we see the window is compromised by performance as well as reliability. We only will talk about getting stable update as soon as possible. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click here on Windows and then click on settings. After we open setting tab, just click on Windows Update. And then what we need to make sure that we have selected this option which says get the latest update as soon as possible as they are available. So just make sure that this option is enabled and then you need to click on check for update. So let's say if I turn it off and then if I click on check for update, it may or may not give you the latest update. But if I let's say make this turn on, then it may or may not ask you to restart your system. But here in this case, it is asking me to restart. So let me quickly restart my system by pressing restart now. Now after system restart, let me again click on menu button and then let me click here on settings. Again, let's go to Windows Update. And now here we go. Here I can see one of update is available. So let me quickly download it. And this update I believe is really huge because I can see the bandwidth consumed by this update. So in this way guys, we can get these updates as soon as possible as they are available. So make sure to turn on this toggle button to receive updates as soon as possible. And if you really like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. And I will see you soon in my another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.